By the time you finish this video, you'll understand why so many South Africans did everything right in 2025 and still did not get hired. And you'll know what to change in 2026 so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Because for a lot of people, the problem was not effort. It was not intelligence, and it was not even qualifications. The problem was how they approached the job search itself. If you are watching this right now and you haven't subscribed yet, take a second and hit that subscribe button. Every week I share practical, South African focused career advice that can help you move forward in a tough market. And when you are subscribing, you are not just helping yourself, you are helping someone else who needs this information but hasn't found it yet. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and let's grow together. Now, before we get into the real reasons job searches fails, there's something important I want to say. While many people focus on what companies are doing wrong, a lot of job seekers are unknowingly hurting their own chances. An outdated CV, weak interview answers, or not knowing how to explain your value can quietly cost you good opportunities. That's exactly why I created the Job Hunters Toolkit. It's designed to help you fix how you present yourself so that employers actually take you seriously. You'll find the link in the description and on the comment section if you want to check it out, especially before you send another application. Now, let's talk about what really went wrong in 2025. One of the biggest mistakes people made in 2025 was treating job hunting like a numbers game instead of a strategy. Many people believe that if they applied to enough jobs, something would eventually work. So they applied everywhere to anything without a clear direction. The result was burnout, frustration, and silence. Not because they were useless, but because they were unfocused. Another issue was timing. Many South Africans waited too long to act. They waited until they were desperate, retrenched, or completely unhappy before starting to prepare. By the time they updated their CV or started learning new skills, they were already under pressure. And when you job hunt from a place of panic, it shows in your applications and interviews. A lot of people also believe that loyalty or hard work alone would protect them. They stayed in roles where they were not growing, hoping someone would eventually notice them or promote them. But the market does not reward loyalty the way it used to. It rewards relevance. If your skills did not grow in 2025, the market quietly moved past you. And another reason job searches failed is that many people waited to be chosen instead of positioning themselves. They waited for recruiters to call. They waited for companies to reply. They waited for permission to grow. But in today's market, waiting is dangerous. The people who made progress were the ones who acted before they were forced to. And finally, many South Africans tied their self-worth to outcomes they could not control. Every rejection felt personal. Every silence felt like proof that they were failing. That emotional weight slowed them down, made them hesitant, and stopped them from experimenting with new approaches. So the question is, how do you fix this going into 2026? The first thing you need to do is decide what problem you want to solve for employers. Not what job title you want, but what value you bring. You are someone who helps customers, someone who organizes work, someone who improves systems, someone who supports teams. When you are clear on this, your job search becomes focused instead of desperate. The second thing is to start preparing before you need to move. Even if you are unemployed right now, 2026 is the year to strengthen yourself quietly. Improve one skill, build one example, fix one weakness. The best job moves happen when you are prepared, not when you are panicking. The third thing is to stop thinking of experience as something only companies give you. Experience can be built. You can help someone. You can improve a process. You can document what you did. Employers care more about proof of work you did, not just formal titles. The fourth thing is to change how you measure progress. Instead of only counting interviews or offers, start counting actions you control. Did you improve your CV this month? Did you learn a new tool? Did you speak to someone in the industry you want to enter? These small wins keep you moving forward, even when results are slow. The fifth thing is to learn how to separate rejection from identity. A no is feedback, not a verdict. Silence is information, not an insult. The people who succeed are not the ones who never get rejected. They are the ones who recover faster and adjust faster. And while you are doing all of this, make sure your CV and interview answers are not working against you. Many capable South Africans lose opportunities because they don't know how to present themselves properly. The Job Hunters Toolkit will help you show your value clearly and confidently. Check out the link in the description if you want to take that step. Here's the shift that matters most. In 2026, you cannot afford to be passive. You don't need to be loud or aggressive, but you need to be intentional. Intentional about what you learn, intentional about where you apply, intentional about how you grow. Most people who struggled in 2025 were not behind. They were just not positioning themselves properly, and that can be fixed. If this video helped you see your job search differently, hit the like button so that it reaches more South Africans who need clarity. And tell me in the comments what you are going to change first in 2026. Your job search did not fail because you were incapable. It failed because the rules changed and no one explained them to you. Now you know better. And when you know better, you can move differently. 2026 does not need to be another hard year. It can be a turning point, only if you approach it with clarity, patience, and intention. My name is Alec, and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.